Morning all, it's Monday, bit chilly. Come to a job in the middle of nowhere basically, called Beacon Fell. We're here to do the toilet roof, but I've never seen a roof or done a roof this bad. Let's have a quick look. Literally a carpet of moss. I'm praying it's not stuck on line chewing gum and it just comes off, but we'll see. I've got a bit of help today from Ocean Exterior Cleaning coming up from Manchester to give me a hand, just do a bit of clearing and what have you as I'm scraping it, but looking forward to it. We can't use chemicals on this job because it's a nature reserve, so it's just a scrape, clean up, give it a brush with a wire brush a bit. They are slate, so I've got my plastic bit on the end of my scraper just to protect it. A wire brush the top. May have to throw the roof ladders over the top if it's a bit stubborn. If not, it should just come off with a wire brush. But looking forward to this one, so we'll crack on.